Okay, next blade is our fresh cut blade. Now this blade is very similar to the GT blade, where it's again tough, flexible, durable, but the teeth again are diamond ground, just like the GT blade. It's available from 1/4 inch right up to 3/4 inch in width, so curve cutting, but majoritively this blade is used for straight cutting and used for veneer cutting more than anything else. It's got a very delicate, light, subtle set, so there's not a lot of timber wastage because the actual cutting width, the kerf, is minimal. Okay, so fresh cut might sound like a bit of a funny name, and the blade actually originated in the food processing industry, so cutting fish and meats. And some of you may know this blade as the old meat and fish blade, but we found that it cuts wood so well, very straight with very little wastage. Let's have a look how it performs. So again, a nice, clean, straight cut, but with very little timber wastage. Great for veneers.